Today I'm making arroz con gandules, rich and flavorful. Start with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, or you can use any neutral vegetable that you like, in a caldero or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add about 1/2 cup or 75 grams of diced ham and cook until lightly browned, about 3 to 5 minutes. Stir in about 3 to 4 tablespoons of homemade sofrito. If you've never made sofrito before, I'll put the link in the description box on a video that I've got on how to make that. It's really easy to make. Now that I've got my sofrito in the pan here, I'm going to let that saute for about a minute. Now I'm going to add in 1/4 cup or 35 grams of chopped green olives. Then 3 tablespoons or about 30 milliliters of tomato sauce. Now I'm going to add in 1 packet of sazón, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now I'm just going to give that a stir around and wake those flavors up, and we're going to saute that for about 1 minute. Fresh ground black pepper and 1 bay leaf. Let this cook for 2 to 3 minutes until everything becomes fragrant and well combined. Add 1 15-ounce can or 425 grams of pigeon peas or gandules, and you want to add the liquid that's in the can with it. Now I'm going to add in a pinch or 2 of salt, and that is to taste. Add 2 cups or 400 grams of rinsed rice and stir everything together. Pour in 1.5 cups or about 350 milliliters of chicken stock and bring it to a boil. As the liquid cooks down, you'll see small holes on the top of the surface of the rice. That's your signal that it's time to reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes. After 20 to 25 minutes, the rice is tender and perfectly cooked. Remove that bay leaf. Gently fluff and mix everything together. Serve it up while it's hot. Arroz con gandules, simple, flavorful, and done right. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes.